Fairfax Meadow are the largest catering butcher in the UK. We supply a range of customers from contract caterers, hotels, pubs and restaurants. We have a head office based in Derby, but we are a multi-site operation. We have about 60 vehicles, from Arctics down to small multi-temp vehicles, delivering right across the country. Each telesalesperson will get on their screen every morning a list of the customers that they're phoning throughout that day, and it will give them windows to work to. So, for example, the Dog and Duck gets called between 10 and 10:30, and it will flash up again if they didn't process it within that time. So that means the sales team are much more likely to get through and get an order from the customer because they're calling at the time the customer's requested. The customer services team are finding that they can pull information directly from the system, whereas before they were having to pull a lot of information together from different reporting processes. It's a benefit to the customer because we're able to give them information in a much more timely fashion.
The industry we're in is very perishable. With AX, we've got full real-time livestock system. You can keep tighter control, and obviously you can keep tighter control of cost.
We're handling a large number of products very quickly, and to get the products to go to the correct orders, we're using the barcode technology. We scan those items to make sure that the correct items are going to the customer.
If we have a query, we can quickly formulate how many boxes were sent to that customer, how many packs, of what size, of what weight.
The scanning and order confirmation is faster, which is allowing us to put more product through our process than we did before with the same resource. With AX, we can integrate other systems around the business that we use. For example, our vehicle monitoring system, temperature systems and weigh labelling systems.
With AX, we're actually pulling that yield information off real time. So all that information is actually yielded real-time information rather than the next day. And you can look at yield for a certain production number. So if you want to see how you're doing on a certain raw material, it's there and it's instant. You can formulate a yield from it. The time it takes for one person to do that on a daily basis would have took 6 hours a day. It's enabled that person who used to do that job to do other things.
Many of our customers use an EDI service, so they place their orders directly from a computer. The order comes directly through to us and prints off in the factory. It's much better. It would save approximately 5 hours a day in terms of processing orders. If there's a mistake at the customer end, it traps in our system as a journal, so we know there's an error in that order. So it's given us 100% accuracy in placing orders.
It's very, very quick to make any changes as our customers' systems change, but also as new customers come along, we can rapidly put them onto our EDI systems. So it's a very big strength of our new AX system.
We're spending more time face-to-face with the customers because the administration side of the job is much shorter than it previously was, so I'm going out and selling, which is the purpose of my role. It speeds up the customer process of actually placing an order, so more orders can be processed throughout the day, which means we could take on more business.
With the old system, the production tickets used to take us 45 minutes. With AX, it gives you them figures instantaneously. So the whole process now takes 5-10 minutes. So they can spend more of their time managing people's performance and looking at what they're cutting and looking and making sure they're getting the correct yields.
AX helps us with the management of our pricing in that we have customer-specific price lists. The system also helps to manage the rebates. Customers have varying different levels of rebates, and the system allows us to manage all of those and keep a history. It's a very much more professional, robust system for the customer.
With AX, we've put in duplicated systems with automated failover, and that's supported by a system at our North London site, which has the data replicating to it. So the resilience is many times better. AX is much more scalable. It can rapidly adapt as our business needs change. Also, we can see that there's a tremendous amount of effort going into developing the underlying AX package, and Fairfax Meadow, by buying the AX system, we're buying into that progression. Columbus have got a lot of knowledge of the process industries, and they took a lot of time to come in and look at our business processes. They demonstrated a very strong methodology, and that's helped us tremendously. AX is a strong package which is going to take us well into the future. It meets all our business needs.
AX is very user-friendly, and I think it's a great system to work with.
It works. It works brilliantly. It's got everything there that we could possibly need. It's a great tool for us.